focus all our collective efforts, strength, and passion in facing the challenge of sustaining our actions in our Pinaangay agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Governance Report of 2025 anchored on the Pinaangay agenda. In my commitment to plan and initiate programs, activities, and projects for the city's economic development, we have achieved the following. City development plans. Number 1, through the City Planning and Development Office, this administration has allocated resources to projects that promote economic growth, improve public services, and enhance the quality of life for residents. Under the Annual Investment Program Calendar Year 2025, we have implemented infrastructures, library projects, procured brand new vehicles, all aim to provide better and improved services to our fellow Banayanos. The LGU, through the City Planning Office, with the City Development Council, has drafted and approved 42 CDC resolutions and conducted 10 Execo convergence. Number 2, enhance the business environment of the city while ensuring compliance and supporting the continuity and growth of local enterprises through the approval of 400 business permit application, approval of 160 building permit application, and renewal of 1,564 business permits. Number 3, exemplify a commitment to participatory governance and sustainable community development, resulting in strengthened local resilience and a more cohesive community. This is being manifested through the accomplishment of 1 infrastructure project under the Patilan program. Number 4, allocate resources to strategic projects and programs that drive economic growth, strengthen public service delivery, promote cultural development, and enhance the overall quality of life of residents. We are proud to inform you all Canadians that under the Annual Investment Program Calendar Year 2025, we have targeted the following. Under the Annual Investment Program Calendar Year 2026, the following targets are aimed for. Number 5, for the fiscal year 2025, this administration